All right. Well, here's a little unusual video I'm going to call War with the Squirrels 1.0. Uh, because doggone it, if my backyard lights didn't go off tonight, and I'm going to basically show you what's been going on. So I have these wonderful Costco lights that I enjoy having around our back fence. But what has been happening, and this has been happening for years, is the squirrels, I'm sure it's the squirrels, come and bite off the bulbs. And so I have lost a lot of these. But I'm going to show you tonight what happened. And I've found, actually, I had two different shorts in my line. These just all of my lights just abruptly went off tonight. Let's see if I can find where that is. Yes. Look at this. Look at this. I don't know if you can even see that. That is a severed line. I don't know if we can have the more light on it. Look at that. And that I'm pretty sure is a squirrel. I don't know what else is doing it. So I actually ended up figuring out that I had that cut in my line, and then even when I got another extension cord and I bypassed that, the other string still didn't come on, and apparently there was a cut and a short in that line as well. And so anyway, I have two of the strings that are on right now, and I was able to actually figure out how to get a ZigBee plug on here, which I'm wanting to transition my smart home from Wi-Fi to ZigBee. So let me show you that. So previously, I had my smart plug like directly on the outlet, but the problem is this ZigBee plug that I have, which uses a lower power mesh connection, and it works with the Home Assistant. And I'll have a link here to my community tearing prepper website where I've got some other videos that are about that. Anyway, this is great. This is what I want. This is resilient because this plug I can still operate even if I am disconnected from the internet, which doesn't happen very often. But anyway, I want to have that resiliency. But look at this. I'm so excited that this all-weather plug that I have, or plug cover that I have. Oh, look at that. It's going to seal, and it's going to, I don't have to jerry-rig something with a plastic or something, with like plastic bags. So, yay. I absolutely feel like I need to celebrate because I got this thing working. I figured out where the the squirrels had cut the line. But equally important, I was able to get this ZigBee installed, and I'm just thrilled. This is the best, like, all-weather plug join cover. I don't know if that's what it's called, that I have, but I'm thrilled that it has enough space to go ahead and fit that larger ZigBee plug in there, because it wouldn't work on my all-weather outlet cover that I have. And yay, I'm excited about that. But this is War with the Squirrels 1.0, because I think it may be prohibitively expensive to get a shielded cable, or to get cable shielding. And because these squirrels have been biting off the actual bulbs and not just the cable, I don't know. I'm thinking I want to electrify the top of this fence to keep them off. I don't know. Stay tuned.